If you had an opportunity for scope three in livestock, the price to farmers could be better. Yeah. So my thesis on this whole thing. So if it's mass balance, the corn and the data got to stay together, could be disruptive in the short term for these supply chains. But it's going to force the packers, the animal ag industry, food service, it's going to force them to have to play ball. And I think it's going to force them to have to figure out their own scope three efforts or their own decarbonization efforts to get creative to be competitive against the subsidized biofuel space. So I think it's going to force the livestock industry to have to figure out how to take a page from that playbook. And I call it the biofuel industry and 45Z setting a precedent, right? So there's a precedent that would be set here about how to quantify on-farm carbon intensity or carbon footprint, how to verify it, how to track it, how to monetize it. And I think eventually the livestock industry has to kind of follow suit and they got to figure that out. And I think long term, all of this brings incredible opportunity for agriculture and for just American ag and biofuels and talking the livestock sector as well, because now we've got a bigger, better story to tell. But I'm talking about in the short term could be very disruptive for the livestock folks if this ends up being mass balance.